In this video, I show you how to unlock your Facebook account. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And let's jump straight into this guide. Just to add in as well, this guide is going to work regardless of what type of device you're on, whether it be a mobile, a desktop, iOS, Android, it's all going to work. So if you're getting a message like this when you try and log into Facebook, then what you need to do is go and tap on learn more, and Facebook is going to go and give you the necessary steps of which you need to follow to go and unlock your account. However, I know it isn't always quite as straightforward as that, so I'll show you an alternative method in this video as well, but try and click learn more and see what happens. However, if that still isn't working, then what you want to do is go and open up a browser. So I'm going to go and use Safari in this case, just my default browser, but you can use anyone. And then all you want to do is go and search for the Facebook Help Center. So type in Facebook and then Help Center, just like so, and just go and search for it. And then we've got this right at the top, Facebook Help, which is the Help Center for Facebook. So make sure you go to the official one, and here it is. Then what you want to do is go to the top and go and tap on search. And I recommend typing in Facebook account locked or something like that. And then you need to go and tap on my personal Facebook account is disabled. Tap here and it'll take a moment to load. Then as you can see, it's going to go and give a few reasons for why your account may be disabled. But there are two important links on this page. And now the first one is you can actually try and fix any problems you have with currently logging into your Facebook account. So tap on fix problems of logging in, and this will take you here. And there's a few different ways you can try and log into your Facebook account. As you can see, you can go to this login identification link, tap here, and then you can enter your phone number and properly verify that you own your account. Or alternatively, if we come back to this page here, if your account is still disabled after trying to log in using different sort of verification methods, come down here and you can go and use this form by Facebook to go and request a review on your account to hopefully go and get it unlocked. But this is going to depend on the reasons for why your Facebook was actually locked in the first place. So just to wrap this up, try and fix any problems you'll have with logging in. And then if that still isn't working, you need to go and request a review with this form down here. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.